Hey girls, this is Sarah, and I'm whispering because my man just left for work with that cocky little grin again, and I need to spill about AlphaFuel Pro before he figures out why he's suddenly an absolute animal. 24/7. 4 months ago, our bedroom was basically a museum. Lights off, quick finishes, fake moans just to keep the peace. I was lonely, frustrated, and honestly checking out at 39. Then I quietly added AlphaFuel Pro to his morning routine, and holy hell, everything detonated. Day 5, he woke me up at 4 a.m. rock hard and hungry. Week 1, we didn't even make it to the bed twice. Week 2, he lasted so long I was the one laughing, begging, slow down, I can't take it. While pulling him back for round 3, now he grabs me the second he walks in. Voice, deeper arms, thicker stamina, endless. And I'm the one making excuses to rest while he's ready for more. No blue pills, no doctor drama, no weird side effects. Just 2 tiny capsules with Urtica dioica, Uricoma, Longifolia, Epimedium, Serenoa repens. Wild yam root, boron, and sarsaparilla root that flood blood flow, spike free testosterone, and turn him back into the beast. I'm married. Only buy AlphaFuel Pro from the official site, link in description. Plus pinned comment. Amazon fakes are useless, sugar trash. Real AlphaFuel Pro is 100% natural FDA-registered labs with a 60-day rock-hard or money-back guarantee. If your bedroom is cold, if he's always too tired, if you miss the guy who used to rip your clothes off, click the link right now. Order AlphaFuel Pro and watch him turn into your personal sex machine tonight. Stock disappears fast. Don't wait until he stops trying. Give him AlphaFuel Pro and thank me tomorrow when you can't walk straight. Thanks for watching.